Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, so we will start today training. So welcome to this training. Today we will training for our endurance compressor hydraulic system. So today the training person will be Mr. Li Haidong, our inspector chief, and Mr. Wang, our hydraulic designer. Okay, so now we will start it. So firstly, agenda will be like firstly I will briefly introduce the philosophy of our hydraulic system, and then our inspector will showing once for how to adjust setting the pressure, and the third step, and you can is Q and A. Any quarrel you are facing in the site, you can write to us, and we will try to clarify with you in front of the machine. Okay, so now we will start the first step is introduce our hydraulic system. Okay, just have a glass. This is our hydraulic system. So this is oil tank. Okay, this is our oil tank. Lock, and normally first step you will fill in the hydraulic oil. That the hydraulic oil is recommended to use the ActiveWear hydraulic oil. In China here is mentioned 32 number 32. But in India you can just use the ActiveWear hydraulic oil is okay. So oil level should be in this indicated more or less in this normal level as the indication. So this is the oil tank, and this is our main motor with 37 kW, and this is the pump. In this pump, here have two pump. From here is the main pump, major pump. Inside, this is a double van pump. So it's two pump inside. This is the main pump. This is the main pump, and this side is the assistant oil coming. Oil will be from oil tank through the pump and through these two pipe, and then come to this is the valve block. So this one is the pressure relief valve, and this one will be the pressure overflow valve. And this is the check valve here, and then this is the oil filling valve, and here with the pressure transmitter to monitor the pressure, and then after the oil from here, and then injected to this hydraulic reverse valve, and then uh, in input to the our first stage cylinder, and after the first stage cylinder working, and then the oil the the oil will be reverse bank through here, through this pipe, and to the cooler, and then come back to the oil. This is one cycle. And meanwhile the oil will come from this pipe and input to the second step, second stage cylinder, to do the second compression. I don't wanna- and
Henry,
okay,
your
and this is
internet
the
is
oil.
connection is poor.
Oh, can you hear me properly now?
Now it is okay.
Oh, I mean, okay. If you are not able to hear properly, you just let me know, because now I'm in the 4G area, so internet should be good. Okay, so I will continue. So here is the oil input. 哦，你让开个看是吗？ Okay, so here is one filter here. So gradually you need to check this filter. This is the filter. So gradually you can check this filter to check if required can be replaced. Okay, we come to this side. Okay, so we come to here. So this two side is the oil will be from come from first stage will come to from first stage cylinder to the second stage cylinder through this pipe. The two pipe is one soak. The oil one soak oil will from this side to input, and after the soak and then come back from this side, and another side they will input oil will input from this side and come out from this side. So this will be the one soak will complete the one soak compressing. So now let's come to this side to see our okay. So from this side here we can see one manhole is this is for like our maintenance to open to cleaning the inside, and here is the outlet when we are drain edge the oil. And okay, this is the pipe from the after the cooler, and then going back to the tank, oil tank. So here have the this one is the oil return filter. So regularly you have to check this filter and check if it's stuck, needed to clean or replace. Normally we are suggested to just replace at almost 3,000 hours running. But this is not fixed. Gradually you also have to check if that stuck needed to be changed, and otherwise that will be not good for the operation. Okay, so now let's go back to here. Okay, so now I think now most of person is confused for how to adjust and to the best to how to setting adjust the pressure to keep the machine is running in the good condition. So now our inspector will doing one trial to showing you how to setting the pressure in good condition. 好，我们试一试嘛，调一次给他看哈。就理论上给他讲下咱们调嘛，先检查。So firstly, we have to check to remove this valve. To remove this cover, yeah. 晓得那些就讲快点可以。This to remove. You please remember, this is the pressure. This one is pressure relief, and this one is overflow. In before your commissioning, you can just loosen this bolt to relieve the pressure. Yeah, I will show you how to loosen. Use this. Okay. 就是松嘛，是吧？Just loosen the bolt. 然后。
Henry, it's not clear. It's too dark, and your camera is moving a lot.
Dark. 或者灯不要了吗 ？Okay, I will ask them to remove the lighter. Maybe better. Now is better.
No, now it's more dark.
More dark.
Don't have the light inside this.
Yeah, we already closed the light inside.
No, you won't be light because you're not a, yeah.
Now okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now continue. So 先松是吧？ So now let's tight these two bolts. This is a manifold valve. So tight it to 哪边嘛？两个都进了吗？
两个都进了。
Okay. So tight both these two bolt.
再来一遍。
So remember just relieve these two relieve this one and this one and tight these two. This is manifold valve. 大管。
我哪个位置不一样？
不能这样，And here is adjusting. Here is locking nut. Normally, we will be setting one machine out of factory. I see. 续机吗？
第一次这时候调的时候，它容易那个压力，来不及调不好的话，可以先把它切换过来。
So when first time operation, if the pressure not okay, so you can come to this screen.
然后按照功能键，它会那个灯会亮右上角。
看嘞。come to the debugger mode. That means commissioning mode. I'm 晓得那个。
然后我们先打开电子吧。
打个电子吧。So open and then enable the inlet valve.
然后我们可以开启进气了，把那个打开，这是最安全的进气方法，反面进气。
So this is allowed us to inlet the gas inlet.
把出气阀也打开。
出气阀打开没嘛？
我那边它那个水阀。
And also you need manually to open that discharge valve. And then oil pump motor need to open.
它切换过来，得亮点才切换。打个空气键不然温度要高。
Okay, and also cooler motor started. Open the cooler motor.
打个电。
And also filling valve. 好吧。So this operation you might already know, same as the commissioning. And then come here, and then adjust this one. And just gradually, slowly tighten it, and see this pressure. So you can adjust slowly and see the pressure. Adjust the pressure to almost 17 bar. 17 bar. Okay, 17 bar. Now is no soak, not a reverse. And then come to here to just loosen the bolt, both two sides. So in your commissioning, you can slowly, and now we can see the soak, reverse soak is started. So now, when you are adjusting here, you need to say this started the soak. And then we come to adjust this one. This is relief valve one. And check this valve. Check this pressure gauge. And check the pressure, the maximum pressure to 8 bar. So meanwhile, you need to adjusting here gradually, slowly. So almost 8 bar, or maximum 8 bar. 哪个降头呢？ Okay, so now we come to here to adjust here to adjust this manifold valve to keep this major pressure to maximum 15 16 bar is okay. 15 16 bar is okay. In this pressure the machine is working in the good condition. Okay, so you say the maximum is almost 16 now. Yeah, the adjust need slowly. Slowly to adjust the both two sides. You can see here one cycle is one soak. So the two soak, this here is two bolt. Two adjusting bolt is controlling the two soak, upper one and the lower one. Okay, after adjust okay, we can observe here both the two soak is almost the same to the maximum Holwa. To the maximum is almost 16 bar. Two soak is almost the same. And then now we come here to tighten the lock nut. Tighten the lock nut. Because in this side, in some case, we have observed like when you're commissioning, that reverse is normal, but after some that because of the this lock nut is not tight, so during the machine running, so that is losing. And also the same is to this to local nut need to tight properly. After your after your fixed the setting, so need to tighten properly because when the machine is running, so here is some vibration here. So if you are not tight properly, this bolt will be losing, and the pressure setting will be also changed. 然后完了是吧？然后还有啥东西？还有就是管板进气啷个做？管板进气，是进气的时候压力大的话，要管板进气。刚刚我说那个啊，啷个进嘛？哪儿调？ And also, one more issue is we have observed some case. We have observed some oil leak from. We have observed the oil leak from here. So this is because of the inlet pressure is when we start the machine, the inlet pressure is sudden very high. So now we will showing you how to control it. 关板进去啷个？
关门进去第一次我们必须要打开进气电子阀。
So we have to slowly to input the gas. So firstly, we also need to open the inlet valve.
然后它是用潮湿拉的气嘛上去。
潮湿
拉的气，它加手阀没得前端。
And in your LCV, to the inlet to our to inlet this suction pressure, there have the ball valve, shuttle valve. So that shuttle valve you cannot open it completely once. So it's better you just slowly to open it to almost open to half or something, or half. You can try half. Just open half and let the machine running to 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can open it completely. And in this case, so the pressure coming and preheating the whole system, and then this kind of oil leak will be much improved. Okay, so actually because earlier we already have the training for this system. This time we are just have a brief introduction for the issue which we already we are facing in recently. So if you have any query for this system, you please just let us know so we can discuss here now.